going for a ride in a 1929 Model A Ford Woody. Hi, Paul.
Hey, Brooks, how you doing?
Good. Great.
This is where ties had.
Center drive?
Way down there.
Okay.
Oh, maybe it's the next one. Here it is.
Oh, Colonial Legend Park, okay. I told you about the time I rode in a Model A taxi in Philadelphia one time, didn't I?
Yeah. And it was actually a working taxi.
Yeah. The guy driving it was an elderly man, and he had one of his Scottish caps on, you know. How are the ladies going? They in back of us?
Oh, yeah, right behind you. Oh, it's not like we're going to lose it. You know, I only go up about 40.
Yeah. So what gear are you in now?
Oh, third gear.
Okay. Is that like the top?
No, first, second, third. It's an H pattern.
Okay.
Up and to the left is reverse, first, second, third.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an H pattern. So that's like direct drive. There's no gearing in it. It's shifting like 1 to 1.
Okay.
And it's actually, you know, we got such a long stroke on the motor that they're pretty good. You can work them. You know, when I say work them, you can roll up to a stop sign and just kind of roll through the stop sign. You don't even have to take it out of third.
Okay.
It's got enough power to kind of chug, and come right back up to speed again.
Oh, okay.
So I roll through a lot of stop signs unless it's a stoplight and a lot of traffic.
All right. They don't bother you much, right?
Nah. Nobody's ever stopped me. I got a dealer plate on it. It's I haven't paid tax on it for 35 years.
Okay.
So I can put a dealer plate on it for the times I need it. And this year with her arm and everything, we didn't get out that much. I missed all the cruises. And the last one we had planned, we were going to go to the dinosaur down in Chesterfield. They have cruises once a month. And I think the next day she had her surgery or something, so I said, hell, what are you going to do? I'm hoping gets all fixed up with this where you don't have to do any more of this bullshit.
Yeah, this COVID thing is real, you know what?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know something? How's she coming along now? How's she doing with the recovery?
I think she's doing good. Well, they told her Thursday was doing good with the arm, so.
Does she seem to have more mobility than she did before she had the surgery?
Well, that mobility is, some of it's with the knee, you know, and she's doing the therapy on the knee because of the COVID.
Right.
I think she's got to get back to that too. I don't know, the COVID now, they say across the country, it's going up.
Yeah.
People are dying, they don't take the shot.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, when a booster comes, when it's time to go for the booster, I'm going for it, you know.
Well, we got it yesterday.
Is that right? Yeah.
We got it at Walmart in Lisbon. So I happened to be going by the table up front, you know, and they said COVID-19 vaccine. And I said, well, I stopped and talked to a lady. I said, we're going to get our flu shot, and it's probably, what do you think, in a few weeks, maybe they'll have the booster out? And she said, no, the booster's out now. They're doing it down the other end.
Wow.
Huh? I said, well, we were going to space them out a couple of weeks, you know, so we didn't have the shots. She said, you could do both at once if you want.
Oh, so they didn't have didn't hurt you at all, huh? No effect?
Well, I got a sore shoulder.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, a little sore, tender. But I said, no, we're going to go down and get it. She said, if you wait, you know, you might have to make an appointment.
You know something? Yeah, you know something. You know that might not be a bad idea. You know.
Well, are you going to be here enough today?
Well, we're going to be heading back tomorrow. You know.
Well, if you went to Walmart in Lisbon, I think you can get the vaccine.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah. You got your cards with you?
Yeah. Well, I got my. I got my original vaccination on my phone. You know, I took a photo of it. You
You
know.
don't have the card. You got to sign the card.
Oh, your vaccination card. Yeah, I'm going to have to wait till I get back to New Jersey. You know, I got the original back home. You know.
Yeah. Well, I think they're going to come out I think they're going to come out all over the place. All right, this is 184 now. And this goes up to Groton.
Yeah. You know, sometimes I miss driving a clutch. You know,
Yeah.
it's not a lot of fun and bumper to bumper traffic, but you know. But I mean, I don't know. It's just something that I grew up with, and that I, you know.
Yeah.
Of course, my dad, you know, he always had the Plymouth, you know, with a 3-speed on the column, you know, the 49 Plymouth that he drove.
Yeah.
The last 3-speed column shift I drove was Paula's father's pickup truck. It was a 1975 Ford pickup. They had a 3-speed manual column shift. That was the last one I drove.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I had 2 Rangers pickups. They were both standard 4-cylinder. And they came through the shop, you know. They were wholesale through the shop, and nobody wanted to buy standard. So I had an 85 and I had a 2000.
I'll tell you what costs a lot of money is replacing the clutch on the front wheel drive. It's $1,000 now, right?
Oh, really? Yeah, I guess so. Well, they put everything in, probably. You know, they won't put in just go a disc in there. They want to replace the driver again.
Yeah, my last car I had to replace the clutch. It was about over $1,000. But you know, I mean, there was a 91 Honda Accord. It was a 5-speed manual.
But you got a lot of miles out of it, right?
It didn't quite make it to 200.
It is 27.
Yeah. I got about 192,000 miles on that car. The 95 I had, you know, that made it up to 246, I think. Okay, we'll come to Old Mystic. Still right there. Now you're still in third gear, right?
See how it pulled away?
Yep. It's got the power in there, doesn't it?
Long stroke.
Yeah.
Long stroke. Come to, I don't know, this is probably the number 20 something.